Today I'm going to show you how to make jam tarts. This recipe makes about 18. You will need 200 grams of plain flour, 125 grams of butter or margarine, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of caster sugar, 1 tablespoon of water, and 150 grams of jam. The flavour of the jam is your choice. Firstly, in a bowl, mix together your flour and your sugar. Then mix in your butter so then it resembles breadcrumbs. Then add your egg and mix well. And then add your water as needed. If you don't need any water, brilliant. Just add a little drop at a time until it comes together as a nice dough. Then you want to leave your dough to chill in the fridge for about an hour. Then, having floured your work surface, roll out your dough. You want your dough about half a centimetre thick. Then you want to flour a fairy cake case, so it's a bit thinner than a cupcake case. If you don't have a fairy cake case, you can use a cupcake case, just don't fill the whole case full of pastry. Then I'm just going to cut out the pastry with a cutter that's slightly bigger than the fairy case holes. Then simply press them into the holes in the tray. Then fill each jam tart with about a teaspoon of jam. Then in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan assisted, you want to bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make jam tarts.